Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Isha, and today I'm here with a pick a card reading on the topic What is up with you right now? I have three options for you to choose from. This is going to be pile 1, this is going to be pile 2, and this is going to be pile 3. Please select your pile and fast forward to your chosen option. So, pile 1. Firstly, what I want to say is that you might have received some sort of official communication or any communication or something about documentation, and that is making you feel insecure in some way. That is maybe making you feel a lack of some sort. It could be lack of support, finances, love. It could be a communication which brought a sense of lack in you and you are feeling very insecure, and that fear is feeding on you in some ways. It is maybe not letting you rest. You can't sleep perhaps, but your advice is to just let go of the worry and rest and give it time, because if you give it time, what is going to happen is you're going to feel very happy after that. There is a very positive outcome coming for you in this situation. So where you felt lack of something, you are going to get the generosity from someone or the same situation. Not only generosity, you're going to get what you deserve, and that's so much of joy. And if it is about finances, some financial transaction will go through, or you will receive money if it was a lack of finances, or it was a lack of love, lack of friendships, lack of anything. That is what you're going to receive, and it is going to make you feel very, very, very happy, and you're going to feel very joyful and grateful. So right now, don't even worry about it. Your advice is just to rest, sleep, and let it go and watch it unfold as you change from feeling of lack and insecure to feeling extremely happy, joyful, and fulfilled with your positive outcome. If it is a contract that you did not get or something like that, you will get it. Things will turn around, and whatever happens, it's going to be very positive for you. Yes, that's about it. Bye, take care. Hi Pile 2, welcome to your reading. So, firstly, I want to start by saying that your reading is super, super, super positive, because I do not see any low vibrational energies in your reading. So, right now, I see that you are in this energy of community, you are coming in union with people, and you are in the process of creation of something, and you are feeling very confident right now. And if you are not feeling confident right now, your advice is just to put on the confident mask and just enjoy the process of creation, whatever you're creating. Because I do see there is some sort of celebration happening, people coming together, friends coming together, or work colleagues coming together, whatever that is for you. There is some creation process that is happening right now. This could have to do something with travel. If it's not travel literally, metaphorically, something is coming to a successful position, something is moving forward successfully. If something was stuck, that is moving forward successfully. And if you are waiting for some sort of results, don't even worry about it, because you're going to be winning something. You're going to be victorious. And not only are you going to be victorious, you're going to get that appreciation, that recognition, that spotlight, and you're going to have a very, 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 very positive outcome. You're going to feel very joyful and you're going to shine. You're going to be in the spotlight, perhaps in this community, this event, or that is what you might be celebrating right now, if that is what has already happened. And I also do see that there is someone who's going to be proposing something to you, or if it's not a person, it is you doing something, creating something, being creative, artistic, doing something that you love, and perhaps that is what is bringing you this spotlight. So that is possible. And if it's not a project or something, then it could be a person who's literally offering their feelings to you. This doesn't have to be romantic, although it could be offer of friendship as well, right? You both might be able to create something together, but not necessarily this person could be offering you something in this event or celebration, is what I'm feeling like. And it is heart based, and somewhere your heart will flutter as well, even if you want it or you don't want it. That's up to you. But if you're waiting for a result or judgment or level up of some sorts, you are getting it. You are 100% getting it. You are winning something big, big, and you're going to be in a major spotlight, and you're going to feel very happy. Yes, that's about it. Bye, take care, enjoy. Hi, Payalkri. Welcome to our reading. So, what I see right away is that there is something that has shaken up in your world, and this could have to be with regards to a connection, a romantic connection, someone you feel a strong pull towards. And if it's not about a connection, it could be a passion thing, a hobby, or whatever is it that you are feeling a strong calling towards. It doesn't always have to be romantic, though it could be. Now, I see that there is some mystery involved in it. So, something is mysterious, or someone is mysterious, and you're trying to discover something. So, that is what is up with you right now. Perhaps that shakeup was something that some sort of conflicts or argument happened, and you had to perhaps leave some place and start fresh. So I do see that maybe there could have been some ending or separation with this person or with your project or something. I feel like it is because of some mystery, something hidden. Maybe you might have discovered something that was hidden from you, and you decided to walk away, which is very burdensome, obviously. But you are moving towards a fresh start, a new beginning. You're going to have your life back. You're going to feel free again. And the advice that I get for you is that leave it to the higher powers, leave it to God. You're about to level up. You're about to level up big time, because the judgment is happening. If it is not literally higher powers, then it could be that you yourself are deciding to level up, and you are taking the authority, the control. And if it is not you, then there is some higher power, authority, institution who's going to be ruling something. And your advice is to just feel free, feel independent. And it's a good thing if you got away from something toxic, right? And whatever this mystery is, if it is not a separation, whatever is mysterious, you're still trying to find out, just leave it to the higher powers, is what I'm feeling like. And your outcome will be very positive, because what I see is that you might be currently feeling stuck because you don't have the answers, or you just found out something and you're not sure about it. So, from that energy of feeling stuck, there is going to be a successful completion, and you are going to be offered an opportunity, and that opportunity is a level up. So if it is with regards to a person or with regards to a project, whatever it could be, some opportunity, some big opportunity, perhaps on an international level or online, is going to be offered to you, and you're going to be very happy with that, because it's like a gift given by the higher powers to you. It is going to literally be handed to you, and you won't have to do a thing. So from feeling stuck, all of a sudden there is a successful completion in your situation. It could be completion of a project because you find something. What I am trying to say is, don't try to discover things right now. Don't try to go too much into solving the mysteries. Just let it go. Just surrender to the higher powers, and then from feeling stuck, suddenly you'll receive a new opportunity or something, answers that will complete your cycle of mystery, and you're going to be handed with something that is monetary. I'm telling you something, there is increase in finances or a material or tangible gift is going to be offered to you, or it could be you purchasing or investing in something which will grow globally and have a global recognition, is what I'm feeling like. And this is divinely blessed. This is completely divinely blessed. It doesn't have to be a reunion, although it could be a reunion. It can be that whatever mystery or issues were there, and for a while you could have been separated and you could have felt stuck or something like that. Now all of a sudden your cycle is coming to a successful completion. This particular issue could be coming to a successful completion and you could be heading towards a new start. Now, I also feel like if it's not about love, then it could be about your project. You are trying to find out information or discover something, some answer or some idea that you did not have, and then you decided to leave it for a while. And that is a good decision. Leave it to God. After some time, you're suddenly going to get the clarity, you're suddenly going to get the recognition, perhaps the completion, the closure that you need to complete a project. And this is because something is going to be offered to you by the divine, by the higher powers. Just trust the universe, is your message. Yes, that's about it. Bye, take care, enjoy.